A regular, distinct, lubbed-up sound can be heard near the heart chest heartbeat. A regular, distinct, lubbed-up sound can be heard near the chest. The sound is periodically produced by regular contraction and expansion of the heart. The periodicity, contraction, and expansion of the heart is known as the heartbeat. The rate of heartbeat varies from person to person. The heartbeat on average is 70 to 75 times per minute. The heartbeat is faster in children and slower in old people. The heartbeat increases during exercise exertion and also when a person is excited. A newborn baby has a heartbeat of about 140 and in a 3-year-old it is about 100 beats per minute. Heartbeats and pulse rate are the same in an individual. Good to know. A low heartbeat is mostly a sign of a healthy heart because in lazy person the heart rate is higher as the heart has to do more work to maintain body functions. When fatty substance deposits on inner walls of arteries, the inner volume becomes small. The blood flows through them with difficulty. This condition may cause heart attack or heart failure. Nervous system. Nervous system is one such system which brings about coordination in various body functions. It is due to nervous system that we can feel changes in our environment and are sensitive to heat or cold, pain, odors, etc. We feel the changes through our senses: hearing, sight, smell, touch, and taste. And the 5 senses we have: ears, eyes, nose, skin, tongue are the respective sense organs to perceive the above senses. The nervous system is made up of specialized cells called neurons. Nervous system consists of the following organs: brain, spinal cord, nerves, sense organs. Here you can see the brain, spinal cord and nerve. This is the human nervous system. Brain. The brain is a delicate and the most important organ of the nervous system. It is situated in the head within a box known as brain box and is well protected by the skull. The brain controls and coordinates most human activities. An average adult human brain is made up of about 100 billion neurons. So what is a brain? Is a very delicate and important organ of our nervous system. You know that. Spinal cord. It is a tube-like structure that runs inside the vertebral column. The spinal cord is about 50 cm long. The brain and spinal cord together form the central nervous system. CNS. Nerve carry messages in the form of impulses in the body. They are formed by a number of neurons. The pathway of an impulse is the nerve. An impulse travels all the average speed of about 20-30 meters per second. The nerves are of 3 types: sensory nerve, motor nerve and mixed nerve. Nerves that transmit message from the brain to various parts of the body are known as motor nerve. They are made up of motor neurons. Nerves that carry information to the brain from the sensory organ are called sensory nerve. They are made up of sensory neurons. 31 pair of spinal nerves arise from the spinal cord and 12 pairs of cranial nerves are from the brain. These nerves are distributed all over the body. Now let's just come on page number 30. Sensory organs. Many has 5 sensory organs for different senses: nose, smell, tongue, taste, skin, touch, eyes, vision and ears, hearing. The factor in the environment that they defect is called stimulus and body's reactions to it is called response. Nervous system help in controlling and coordinating the working of all other organs. System of the human body. Excretory system. The removal of metabolic waste materials from the body is formed and is termed as excretion. The organ system which is responsible for the eliminating of metabolic waste material from the body is called excretory system. This system consists of organs that are involved in the process of getting rid of metabolic waste from the body. The waste include water, carbon dioxide, urea, salts and other compounds. Excretory organs of our body. Kidney, skin, lungs. Skin gets rid of water and salts through sweat glands. Lungs remove carbon dioxide and water during respiration, and kidneys excrete waste products in the form of urine. Urinary system. The urinary system of human beings consists of the following organs: a pair of kidneys, a pair of uterus, the urinary bladder and urethra. Kidneys. In our body there is a pair of kidneys located on either side of the vertebrate column in the abdomen. Each kidney is brick red in color and bean shaped. It weighs between 125 to 170 gram in males and 115 to 155 gram in females. It is about 12 centimeter in length, 6 centimeter in width and 3 centimeter in thickness. Kidneys help in extracting urine from the blood. Here you can see the picture of human urinary system, in which you can see adrenal gland, right kidney, pelvic ureter, inferior vena cava and urethra. And here you can see adrenal grapes, renal artery, renal vein, left kidney, aorta, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Functions of kidneys. Kidneys filter the metabolic waste from the blood. Kidneys help in formation of urine. Kidneys help in eliminating harmful substance from the body. Kidneys regulate water and mineral balance in the body. Ureters. The ureters are two thin-walled urine-carrying ducts. Ureters originate kidney and are about 30 cm in length. These run downwards and open into the urinary bladder. It is a bag-like structure in which urine is stored. Its size is positioned vary with one amount of urine it contains. Urethra. The urethra is the duct which carries urine from the urinary bladder to outside the body.